Are you sick of washing your dirty dishes every time you are done eating? Well, we've got a solution for you. Introducing Max Washer, the all-in-one food and dishwasher. Using Max Washer is easy. Simply press a button. It will begin washing your dishes with high-power ultrasonic. Max Washer produces ultrasonic with up to 400-watt power, which can easily remove any oil stain and dirt on your dirty dishes while you take a break. Max Washer is not only effective, it is 100% chemical-free and environmentally friendly. It will clean all your kitchenware. Max Washer also comes with the Max Catalyst technology. It can not only clean your food, but it can also remove harmful microorganisms, pesticides, or even dirt accumulated on the surface. We ensure that it is 100% safe for your food. It is so powerful that it can easily clean out hidden pesticides and dirt. Max Washer is designed to make your life easier. Get Max Washer now, the best cleaning and cooking partner you will ever need.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.